Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun. In this video, we're discussing Jhula, and in fact, ceiling Jhula, the Jhula that goes on the ceiling. And I have a couple of options. I'll show you both the options. I'll explain about the height part, the chain part, the size part, two-seater, two and a half seaters, single-seater, the wood type, the color, and every detail that you require to decide about a Jhula, a ceiling Jhula, in fact. And after this video, you have all your questions answered. First thing is, when we are looking for a Jhula like this that goes on the ceiling, there are two options. One is a fixed back that can be used from one side, or a reversible back Jhula. This one is a reversible back Jhula. So all we need to do is hold it and move it, and it can be used from this side. So that side or this side, just a simple movement, and it becomes the other side unit, and we have got these reversible hinges on the handles, as you can see here. So reversible and single side, this is one thing. Now coming to the sizes, generally the size is as per the availability of the space, and the space is the ceiling space. If you already have not installed the ceiling hooks, then we have got several options. You can pick from that, and everything is options. I'll tell you about the options also, about the chains, about the seat designs, everything. We were talking about the ceiling type. Here we have a beam right in the center where we have installed these eye bolts, but you can go for good quality bearing hooks that we have available. On the side we have a section of brass chains. They are listed there. You can pick which one you like, and that can be installed in the ceiling. They have bearing for to and fro movement, smooth movement, no friction and no sound. And here we have done this eye bolt thing. If your ceiling is concealed, like in the false ceiling, like if we have to move this under this one, this here area here in the false ceiling, then the other part, the top part, is not visible. In that case, you can go for simple eye bolts fasteners that also work fine. But when they are visible, you can go for beautiful looking brass ceiling kadas. Now coming to the size of the unit, when the distance available on the top, let's say we have got 5 feet distance available on the top, so that is the maximum size of the seat we can go for. Distance between the hooks is the size maximum that we can go for, because if we go more than that, then the chains will go inside. If you even see here, the chains are a little tilted inside. The distance between the hooks is close to 5 feet. So a little tilted inside, and too much tilt will make it touch the seat, and the movement will not be smooth. So to make it straight, the maximum size of the ceiling depends on the seat size also. And whatever the seat size is, let's say seat, this one is 5 feet, we need a couple of inches more from both sides. So for a 60 inches outer seat, the distance between the hooks should be 64 inches to this side and to this side, 4 inches extra. This is a simple calculation. But if the hooks, if you see here, the hooks are outside the unit, on both sides, outside the unit. But if the hooks are on top, there are several units we have made with a big plank, and the ceiling hooks are on the top. So if the hooks are on the top, the space on the ceiling is a little less. So from 60 inches to 56 inches, 2 inches less. Very simple calculation. If the unit has got rings outside, then 2 inches more, and if inside, 2 inches less. Very simple calculation. Accordingly, you can decide the size of a seat. A 5 feet outer size of seat is approximately 2.5 feet. Now I'm sitting here. I have got bolster on this side. I've got a bolster on this side, and still you can see how much space I have here. On a 5 feet outer seat, 2.5 seater works fine, or with a bolster, 2-seater. Comfortable sitting, as you can see here, is 5 feet out and out, and inside space we are getting is 57 inches in and inside. From here to here, the seat is 57 by 24 inches, depth is 22 feet, and then the back height, as you can see here, the total height of the back is 40, along with these pillars on the bottom. The total height of the seat is 40 inches, 40. Made in teak wood, light walnut finish, as you can see here, and the colors, this one, as I've shown you a little earlier, this one is in light teak finish, natural teak finish, and then these portions are highlighted in gold. All these things can be customized as per the size, design, and the fabrics. Fabric is again to be chosen. So what you like, we'll give you options. You select that, and we make it accordingly. Here the client wanted two bolsters and two back cushions. There is just the seat part, as you can see. So options in the sizes, options in the colors, options in the fabric, fixed seat, reversible seat, and now the most important part of a seat, a Jhula, is the chain. The chains we provide are in brass, real brass, and in this also we have got two options. Now here we have a brass chain along with this. I'll show you closely here if you see. Now this is gold finish and this is antique gold finish. Gold and antique gold. And here we have a lot of options on the website for the brass chains. Whichever brass chain you like, we'll make the unit. Along with that, we have got very heavy unit with the animal figures, that too, and very light in terms of the size only, not the quality and not the strength. The strength remains the same. They can hold 300, 350 kgs of weight easily, and the unit works fine. This is the difference, and according to the chain, the prices vary. We have a chain in steel also around 12,000, 13,000 rupees for the whole set, and then we have a chain for this animal figures also around 35,000 for the chain only. So chain price makes a lot of difference in the seat price, in the entire Jhula price. So you can select the chain you like and accordingly the price will vary. Then the size of the seat and the colors and the variation like fixed or reversible seat. These seats are basically made from the actual stand Jhula. So whichever design you like out of a stand Jhula, that can also be converted to a swing seat like this, a ceiling swing, and you can pick the design and let us know. The basic part, the basic point remains about the ceiling part, how you want to install it and how the distance is. Now about other calculation that is very important is the seating height, the height from the ground. This is very important because too much height, I'll show you. See, I'm sitting now and you can see both my feet are still touching the ground. I can touch my feet on the ground. Even I sit without the cushion, then still I can touch my feet on the ground. This is the proper position. So 20 inches to 24 inches, maximum 24 inches, 2 feet is the best height for a sitting, for this sitting, not the Jhula, but the sitting height. So 20 to 24 inches where you can touch your feet on the ground and you can easily swing it. This is the best position. Too high or too low is not comfortable. If it is too low, your legs will keep touching the ground and that is not the proper position. If it is too high, then your feet will always be in air, and that is again not a comfortable thing because you have to climb down like this, and that is not a proper position again. Now calculation of the chain depends on this simple calculation. Whatever the height of the ceiling is, let's say the height is 9 feet, now deduct 2 feet from that and that is the length of chain that you require. So 9 minus 2, 7 feet. Very simple calculation. So size depends on the distance between the hooks, and height, that is chain length, depends on the height of the ceiling minus 2. Simple and very understandable, and you can remember this very easily. I've explained about the seat part, the distance between the hook, and the options for everything are available online on our website. I have shown all these options in videos also. On YouTube, we have a video, a detailed video, where I've shown you all the options. About the hooks, all the chains have very simple installation. There are two hooks mostly, and they go inside each other like this, 90 degree, and turn. I'll show you one more time. Two hooks mostly like this. Even in this, we have got this 5.5 inches. This one is 4 inches. So simply take the two hooks, perpendicular, 90 degree, and turn. Very simple installation. This is how the entire chain is installed. Keep adding the links and you can make chain like this. This one is 8 feet chain the client required, and we made 8 feet. So size of the seat, the length of the chain, the colors, the fabric, reversible like this, non-reversible, fixed seat like this, everything is as per your choice. And we deliver across the globe. We have delivered to 55 countries and entire India. So you select what you like. Let us know what you want, and we will make it in top quality teak wood, brand of Aarsun, the quality of Aarsun, and at factory prices, best prices, and deliver right where you are. The number is right here. I'll be happy to discuss the requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.